Some people have recommended, I can't remember what it's called now, but it's in the sat-nav, some little lake. If we pass a shop, we're going to buy some proper ingredients and maybe cook something a little more substantial.
Toasties.
If we don't...
I never eat white bread unless I'm with you.
I never eat toasties.
That's a lie.
I know. Well, I'm kind of looking forward to cooking.
Kinda.
I'm kind of looking forward to some cooking, actually, so let's hope we got something to cook on. We found ourselves a Tesco's.
Woo! Tesco!
We're going to be eating like kings and queens this evening. It's only a small Tesco's, but we'll see what they got. I forgot to film what we bought, so you're going to have to talk us through it. What do we have?
So, I've got a salad, chicken satay, tomatoes, a stick, an avocado, some camembert, la baguette, some pockets to keep our hands warm, some red onions, some orange juice.
See, the one thing that you do have to be careful for if you're out in the middle of nowhere like this is the, well, I'll show you. They warn you about it quite a lot. Slow animals on the road. And if you see, there's often... Oh, there's one just over there, look, making its way into the bushes. And if it's not careful, it is going to get run over. So I'm not sure what sort of animal this one is. But you can see they are quite slow. And it's literally in the middle of a main road. So as you're driving along, just be careful. I think this one's going for a drink of water in that puddle. Right.
We made it!
According to the navigational system, we are here. It's a bit like when someone suggested it, I thought it would be in the middle of nowhere. There must be a better bit.
Is this literally it?
Yeah, I don't think this is the one. I mean, look, there's a whole massive road here.
I mean, I suppose we could sit here and take in the view for a little while.
Yeah.
Because it's quite pretty. Open. Open. Wider. Wider. No, open your mouth all the way. Oh my god, beautiful photo. Oh!
Whoa, there's a horse walking out in front of us. Chill out, mate. I've looked on Google Maps and I've found the second pond, which is near this one, and it looks a little bit more tucked away out of the road. So we're just going to try and drive around to that one if we can get the van down there. Yeah, this looks better. So the sign said no overnight parking, no camping. Are we going to listen?
No.
Alright, we found the spot. We've got nobody else in this little car park. It's just us. The lake, well, there's one lake down there, a pond, a glorified puddle, and then the little lake's over there, but there's some fishermen there.
The world's fastest leopard!
It's nice and tidy in here at the moment, but we're going to be getting cooking soon, and that's when things get a little bit out of hand in there. It's nice having a small van. The only time I want a bigger one is during cooking times. In fact, it's alright when it's just me. When there's two of us and we're trying to cook, it just gets a bit... Alright, see you later, Becky.
Bye. No, I'm galloping. No!
It does say not to stroke these wild ponies, but this one seems quite friendly.
No.
There's someone coming down to our spot. Becky, tell them.
Yeah.
Tell them they're not wanted. Is this going to be our first van life friends?
Oh my god.
We're no longer loners. Look, he's backing up.
I kind of feel a bit anxious. Are you a friendly van lifer? Are you going to be like, bro, this is my spot? Like, I vlog here. You can't vlog here.
What if he jumps out the motor with a camera on a stick?
Yeah. Imagine if another girl walks out with
a leopard out.
I'm scared.
What, there's loads of them coming down. It's another van.
Oh no.
Hang on, Becky, something's happening here.
I'm scared.
No, I'm not joking. That's the second one, and the third one's coming in, and
God.
the fourth one.
Oh no! What's happening?
I mean, I know the channel's been doing alright for the first month.
Yeah, maybe they're fans.
But I didn't know we'd have a load of subscribers coming down to meet us. What is happening?
I don't know.
Like we found the perfect spot and no one's around.
Yeah.
5 minutes later, there's
Everyone's
more
here. You've got a hanging up toilet roll.
Shaking in you, he's talking. We're going to take you on a tour of our new friends. They don't know they're our friends yet, but they will. This way, Becky. It's so unsubtle with this massive light shining at him. We're like honey, and they're the bees. We're speaking so loud they can hear every word we say. So we're having a bit of an organisation session. Becky, you've actually done very well.
Oh my god.
Good girl.
Yay for OCD.
Our new friends, they're all just sat over the other side, and they've got like chairs out, a big circle of camping chairs. They've got cameras on tripods. I don't know whether it's a cult or something. Right, that's some good organisation, Becky.
Yeah,
Good
I might
job.
just, have a coffee. Because I'll probably still sleep anyway. If you want the hot chocolate.
Because there's only one hot chockey, I will be willing to share it if you want half. But
We should put the hot
if you
chocolate.
prefer a tea, then definitely have a tea so I can have the hot chocolate.
Okay, I'm happy to have a tea. I mean, it might keep me
No,
awake all
honestly,
night,
if
but...
you want that, have half.
No, I'm good. I'm going to have a tea, actually.
It's just to warm me up rather than to
Yeah.
have a big drink. So if you'd rather have half of that.
Oh, I don't know now. What do you want?
Do, I know you want half of that.
Okay, yeah, maybe
I can tell you're trying to be polite. Have half of that.
Okay.
If you have any more than half, even 1 millilitre, you're going home
Should
by
we?
foot.
1 cup or 2 cups?
We're not going to give you 2 cups, are we? Oh, well, wait, I don't want your germs, you sicko. On this occasion, I will share
Looking
a
at
cup.
the haters.
She's done an exceptional job. The cupboard down there is fully organised. The shelf hatch cupboard thing up there is fully organised. Right, you've got everything out that you need. Is there anything else? Would you like the grated cheese? Would you like the grated cheese? Victoria, would you like this grated cheese? Pull out whatever you need.
Thank you.
Is that it?
No.
Right, and we need that. That's part of my genius invention. Right, you want the gas on?
Yes, please.
Oh no. How much did you lose? See, this is the damaging effect you have on my life.
That's it, I'm leaving.
Not with a hot chocolate, you like sit the hell down. Secret.
My secret weapon. Pew pew.
Pew pew. Right, this is my new secret weapon. This idea, if I do say so myself, is genius, right? You've probably heard of these Ridge Monkey pans anyway. This one is obviously the saucepan and the griddle pan on top. But what I've done is I've created an oven. Now there's some products on the market already. There's an Omnia stove or something like that, and people use Ridge Monkeys as little ovens. But what people don't really get is that, yeah, it's got a lid and it keeps the heat in, but the bottom of the pan is still touching the flame. So the bottom of the pan gets way hotter than the rest of it. But my invention, right, is one of these things. I'll put a link in the description to all this. So, you put this in the pan, and then your food is raised. Ow! Bit me! Careful not to let it bit you. Careful not to let it bite. Ow! She bit me. But no, right, you put this in here and it keeps the food raised off of the bottom, which is obviously too hot to be an oven. Like I said, I've never tried this before, so this might go properly wrong. But we've got a camembert. If we can bake a camembert in here without burning the bottom of it, I want a prize. I want a gold star, because I genuinely think this is a genius plan. A miniature oven in the van. There's a lot more room in there than the Omnia stove and a little Ridge Monkey thing on its own. You could even put a bit of foil across this so that there's no gaps or anything. Thank me later. Let's try it out. So...
Oh, it bit me.
Ah, it bit me!
Bad
Right.
monkey. Bad.
Bad monkey. No! Give it a banana. So, what we're having for dinner...
It's
the kumquat. Right, so what I'm having is... I'm going to chop my steak up, fry that with some onion. And then I've bought these, like, pockets. Tortilla pockets.
So we're going to use
So I'm
half
gonna have-
now for the wraps, and then we're going to use half to put on our feet later when we're really cold.
Yeah, these are like foot warmers as well.
Yeah.
No, my feet ain't going to fit in there. Yours probably will.
Yeah.
They actually probably
Oh, these
will.
are big thick socks.
They actually will.
Oh, yeah.
And then we're going to bake the camembert. If this goes to plan, I'm going to have chopped up steak, onion and camembert in the tortilla pockets. Becky is having a kumquat on a plate.
This is not a kumquat.
It is a
An
kumquat.
avocado.
Oh, yes.
Thanks.
Let's go with like a medium.
Yeah, not too high, not too
It's just
low.
a small ring, medium heat. I'll just chuck it right in, I guess.
In she goes.
Ah, bit me! So now do we time it? What should we guess? How are we going to do
Yes, we'll open the lid in 10 minutes.
10 minutes, starting now.
it? Right, it's been 10 minutes. It won't be done by now, but it might hopefully be.
It is warming up, so it's been on for 10 minutes, so...
I think maybe the bigger ring.
Okay.
Look, it's an experiment at the end of the day. If it goes wrong, and then don't have that up full whack, but put it like down.
There.
Yeah.
10 minutes, counting down.
It's been nearly 20 minutes.
Oh, it
Right.
smells so good.
It's done.
Yeah, it's
It
done.
actually
oh my
worked.
God.
It's literally perfect. Is
Ooh.
it melted all the way through?
Doesn't matter too much. Oh, it has.
I am a genius. Can you just flip this over or will the juices come out the edge?
Do it carefully enough.
It looks like a Nobel Prize is coming my way. This has worked perfectly. It's literally melted the cheese all the way through. Nothing is burnt. And this is literally a breakthrough in the van life world. You don't understand. I'm going to be praised wherever I go.
Yeah. Van life cheese. Roy.
Everything has gone to plan. Alright,
No. It
right, so
frickin' stinks.
my question a minute ago as to whether or not the juice will come out the pan when you flip a
Just
ridge
when you
monkey.
flick it like that.
Yes, well, I thought it was sealed. It's done, it's done, it's
I'm
done.
joking, it's not that bad. Okay, it's kind of bad.
How am I going to drain it? I'm going to have to go outside and drain it. Right, things have got a little bit out of hand all of a sudden. Who's that out there? I saw a light in the bushes.
Maybe it's Jeebus.
Who?
Jeebus?
Who is Jeebus?
Who art thou, Jeebai?
I'm going to make a massive mix-up of the cheese and the meat and the onions, then I'm going to pour it into a pocket. It's melted all the way to the bottom.
Oh my god. Oh.
That's all I want, and then I'll just pile this into some pockets.
Yes, I will eat all of that camembert. Oh my god, just look at it. Hallelujah, hallelujah. You are a genius.
Right.
Thank you so much. I can't believe you don't eat the whole camembert. Like, you're missing out.
The skin is just, isn't it waxy? What is it made of?
I don't know, cheese.
That is the one. What shall I call this invention?
Invention. It's like a Philly cheese. It's not really a Philly cheesesteak thing, but it's like, oh yeah! Is it incredible?
Is it possible
To marry
food? That's what I was going to say. Will you marry me?
This kumquat is great.
You're going to leave us to it. We're going to eat. We're going to clear up. I'll see you in a minute. It is so unbelievably cold. We've had our dinner. We've packed away everything. We've got the bed out. There's some random car in the background with its engine running, just watching us. But all the ones that were next to us have gone. What about you in there? Look at you. Right, we've been running the camping heater for about 6 minutes and 47 seconds, roughly. What's the time? Is it late or early?
I don't know. Oh wait.
9:39. We never get stuff done this early. Usually we finish cooking, it's like, oh, it's midnight.
Yeah.
So, yeah, we're going to watch something on the projector. I don't think it's got much battery left in it, maybe 2 hours.
I'll be asleep anyway.
You'll be asleep in 4 minutes. And in the morning, I've got this disgusting superfood blend.
Yummy.
It's basically broccoli powder and all sorts of other mad stuff, all like blended up into a powder. Mix it with orange juice and drink it and pretend that I'm a healthy person.
Snozcumbers and woozles.
It's so cold. We've just come outside to clean our teeth before we go to bed, and check this out. I don't know if you can see it on the screen. It is literally ice. Desperate times call for desperate measures. Right. I don't know if you watched my previous video where I was talking about my heating options in here. Well, this is the double death bomb. I do not trust it. I never ever wanted to touch it again. It is evil, but it's freezing, and this is the hottest option we got. Becky, hold that, because we might need to use this in court. Look at it. I think I'm starting to trust it.
Yeah, me too.
Good boy. 1 hot water bottle. Sorry. Down with the screen.
Warmer days, I've been really feeling a sense of contentment with the simplicity that winter brings.
Becky. Well, I'm fully aware that I look like a state. I've literally woken up about 3 minutes ago, but I couldn't help just have a little walk down here. It's a well nice morning. As you can see, there is frost all over the ground. The sun is actually shining down, and it's actually feeling a bit warm with that sun. Check out where we are.
Oh my god, that's so bright.
It's 9:30 in the morning, which for us is pretty early. You should get out here. It's frosty, but it's warm and it's well nice.
Oh wow.
Right, we're having the same issue again. Well, I can't get into the van because the battery is too cold in this thing. Can you warm this key up for me, because it won't open the doors?
Sure.
We're what?
Double coffee in it, because these are bigger cups and we need a
What,
nice
2 coffees each?
Yes.
2 coffees each
coffees
in
each.
1 cup?
Yes.
Right.
Oh my god, both those doors open.
Honestly, it's warm out here.
I know. I love this.
Right, I'm teaching Becky how to fly the drone. Do you think you've mastered it?
Yeah.
Let's see how you can do, shall we? I'm going to show them some of your footage. You are never touching my drone again.
I'll do what I want. You should have moved your big head out the way. I didn't do anything wrong. It was the drone.
You nearly took my eyeball out.
It wasn't me, it was the digital bird.
But Becky's agreed to do the washing up.
I'm not washing up the big pan. Okay, right, go away.
Do I literally get to leave you alone and you just wash it up?
Yeah.
I'm so happy. Oh, I fell in a ditch.
How much juice would you like in it? You should just
Quite
do it
a
like this
lot.
and shot it.
Quite a lot of juice to disguise the filthy taste of this.
Look. Ooh.
Broccoli powder and orange juice.
Is this enough juice?
Oh no, we're not going to disguise any of the flavour of that now.
For God's sake. I'm just filling it up. Oh gosh, the smell.
Right, you ready?
No, doesn't look like I'm ready.
Let's go.
It's actually not that bad whatsoever. It's really nice.
I like toasties and milkshakes.
My mistake brings to the bite to the yeah. Their life is better than yeah.
Seagulls are just chickens of the beach. There are a lot of beach chickens here today.
But swans.
Pardon? So what are we having for breakfast?
Toasties.
Toasties, as usual. Pizza toasties. They're healthy, substantial, and they are the food of the gods. It's in the Bible somewhere, Ephesians 6 verses 13 to
Charles 4.0.
to Charles 4.0. Thank you so much for tuning in to the episode. It won't be long before there's another adventure. We might try and get abroad soon, so if we do, make sure you check that out. And if not, we won't.
No, we won't.